Has your pop-up shop gone cold? Have your sales died? Is this whole selling thing a mystery to you? Then it's time to uncover the truth and crack the case of your missing customers. Evidence already shows that running ads for your products can drive traffic, boost conversions, and help you dominate your niche. Integrating a marketing tool can provide valuable insights into customer behavior and help you better understand your audience. I'm Leah, and it's time to crack the case of the cold pop-up shop. Google Analytics is like your website's personal detective, collecting information from your site about what your customers are doing. Of course, you already need to have Google Ads bringing customers to your website, so if you don't have that, go check out this guide by Google, which we've linked below. But if you've already solved that mystery, then it's time to interrogate all of your ads' hard work, aka track your metrics like the number of visitors to a product page, the sales of a specific product, and the performance of your online marketing campaigns. In your Google Analytics account, go to Admin, create a property, and add your business details and objectives. Choose where you'll be collecting data from, in our case, web, enter your Printify pop-up URL, and name the data stream. Click Create Stream, and copy the measurement ID into the marketing section of your Printify store settings, and save. Phew! After all that hard work, it's time for a chance to win some prizes, like samples or store credit. Let us know how we did in this video by filling out the survey below and get entered into our monthly raffle of prizes. The more surveys you fill out, the more chances you have of winning. Facebook Pixel works similarly as our Google Analytics detective. It's a code snippet, or a little spy agent that keeps tabs on what people are doing in your pop-up shop and reports back on how well your Facebook ads are doing. To set up your Facebook Pixel with pop-up, go to Events Manager in your Ads Manager account and select Web as the data source. You can then paste this pixel into the marketing section of your Printify store settings. And one final clue. If you're not already running ads to your store, you're leaving stacks of cash on the table. And get this, 80% of consumers stumble upon their favorite products on this platform. Don't let your customers get away and turn those clicks into cash by creating some irresistible Facebook ads.